Location de appartement. This is our today's topic for TEF Speaking Task 1. Let us start with salutation. Bonjour, monsieur or madame. It depends to whom you are talking to. Hello, sir or hello, ma'am. So, first we are going to tell what is our talk about. I am contacting you about this topic, about rental apartment. So, this is our topic. How to say in French? Je vous appelle. I am combining this sound. Je vous appelle. Let us understand how to combine this sound. Vous appelle. Au sujet. On the topic. What is the topic? Votre appartement à louer. So what it is? Rental. Right? We are talking about apartment rental. Now I am telling that I want some information. I would like to have some information regarding it. We will make one sentence in French. J'aimerais. I would like to obtain quelques renseignements. What is renseignement? Information. I would like to obtain some information. Now we will frame questions to obtain that information. First question will be, what is the monthly charge for this apartment? Quel est le montant du louer? Mensuel. Mensuel means monthly, right? So, what is the monthly rent? We are asking for rent. What is the monthly rent? Now, what other things we can ask if other utilities are included in this price? So, how to say? Les charges sont-elles comprises dans le prix? If the other charges are included, comprise, dans le prix. What is prix? Prix means price. In this price, if other utilities are included. Now come to next step, like what are the number of rooms in the apartment? How many rooms are there in apartment? Combien. You already know that whenever we are going to say how many, so we are using this question word combien. Combien de chambres. What is chambre? Chambre means rooms. Rooms. How many rooms are there? Y-a-t-il dans l'appartement? In the apartment. The apartment is furnished or it is unfurnished. Let us ask it. Appartement est-il meublé or non? What is a meublé? Meublé means furnished. Meublé means furnished. If the apartment is furnished or not, then we can ask if the common transport, I mean to say public transport, is near to this apartment. How to frame question? Est-il proche? Est-il. What it is est-il? Il is used for apartment. Proche. Proche means near. Near to what? Des transports en commun. Transport en commun means public transport. Public transport. And after framing this question, so finally we will ask if we can visit this apartment. How to say it? Finally, enfin. Finally, est-il possible? Is it possible? De visiter appartement. To visit this apartment. Ce weekend. This weekend. So these are few sample questions for task 1. How to end this task? By saying thank you for your help, for your support. In French, we are saying merci beaucoup pour votre aide. This is a sentence. Now, what will be your closing line here? Have a nice day and would like to hear from you soon. How to say in French? Bonne journée et à bientôt.